Let's see, gotta start off by taking these doors off. Take some trim. I guess I gotta take the fenders from bumper. It's gonna get fully redone. I got my rockers, my quarters. I gotta fix those too once they get on there. So if I remember right, well, all the inner structures are on the rockers that I got up there. So what I'm gonna do when I do these is I'm gonna grind all the spot welds off so all the inner structure stays on the car. And then I'll peel those off, the inners. If I need them, I'll leave it. If I don't, great. But let's see, we gotta start somewhere, I guess. I guess let's get to it. Throw me a little time lapse up. This thing just keeps getting better and better. I knew something was up. That's like the door stopper spot. Ryan, I can't make this shit up. I can't make it up. That's all fiberglass. What the fuck? I don't even know what that is. I did take the outer wheelhouse off of the rocker. See, this rocker isn't that bad. It's the other side rocker that's kind of crushed. I think I hope I still have good enough metal. It is a little rusty, but that's crazy. That's alright though, because the whole piece goes over. I'm in a dilemma now. I don't know what I should do. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave these gussets down here, cut into this. It's so patched up, I don't really want to fuck with it. I know I gotta fix this spot, but there's so many patches on this strut tower, it's kind of crazy. So I don't know if I should, do it great or just do it good. I think I'm gonna just do it good though. Keep it rolling. Hey, we're getting there. We are getting there. I think we're gonna be all right. I mean, the cord did come off the same car, basically, so. This is gonna be a lot of welding at the top. A lot of welding, a lot of grinding. And it is thin metal, so definitely have to take my time. You know, straighten that out. Straighten that out too. I think that the quarter itself is rolled in, so they gotta flatten that, clean that up. But as you can see, that's nice and flush. That's still nice and flush. My main concern was the inner and outer touching. Now I have an inner and outer. Can't really tell. Can tell, but can't tell. It's kind of dark. But they're flush against each other. I think my next step is going to be, I gotta take the quarterback off. I hammered this out just a little bit, just to help me. I'm not gonna fix it until it gets on the car. Yeah. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do down here. If I'm gonna back weld or just straight butt weld it. And then seam seal it. But technically the quarter is supposed to go, I think, hold on, let's go to the other side. Other side, I don't even think is there actually, damn. Other side, definitely not there. I think it's supposed to go inside the rocker. Hold on, I'll show you. So this is actually setting out farther as well. But I think that's gonna be okay. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna grind the inside just so there's no welds on the outside or in the wheel well. Stitch weld that. Clean this up as best as I can, weld that. I'm also gonna use 8115, push that in. I'm going to cut this section out off the parent, not the parent, off the used outer wheelhouse. You can kind of tell. So that whole burgundy looking color, red color, is the patch job they did. And I'm hoping like hell I can weld to it and it'd be no problems. It's gonna be fun to weld to it, but I'm gonna leave this gusset off that goes all the way down until I get that in. Then I'll put that on, the gusset on, and then weld the rest of it up. Put some rust inhibitor, which is paintable after it dries, and I'm gonna use self-etching primer on the whole inside. I'm gonna weld it, weld the quarter on. Also, like I said, down here, I don't know what I'm gonna do because there's nothing there. So I'll have to make a flat piece that goes down and then comes back. Because I don't want to hold it before. And then also, this corner was rotted out. So I think what I'm gonna do is just cut, whatever. Clean it up, rust inhibitor to that. That is gonna be a soft spot. This This car's been hit before. The floor is buckled just a little bit. That ain't gonna stop me though. I'm not messing with that. I'm not putting it on my frame machine. I'm not doing none of that. Outer wheelhouse quarter panel. Outer wheelhouse quarter panel. Outer wheelhouse quarter panel. Outer wheelhouse quarter panel. Also, before I weld, I gotta get this belt molding off. This trim molding off. Oh yeah. So I was gonna cut that. Then I'll just weld that to the parent material, to the car. This corner was jacked up, so after I get the outer wheelhouse on, I'll make a plate. I'll undercoat that shit or whatever, self-etching primer, weld through primer actually, make the panel, doodads, yeah. Make sure I put undercoating under this shit because I don't want to rust. I'd like to have this car for at least like, 5 years without rusting again. Let the next person deal with it. Or, like I said, dog, right-hand drive, it might turn you into a missile. It's such a cool car. Had to make another video about the actual ideas that I want to do with the car. I guess I should talk about what I want to do with the car actually now. I've never done that really. Like I said, right now I'm doing both quarters. It's right-hand drive. It's got like 200 some thousand on a dash, but everything works on it. It runs and drives. It literally just needs rockers and quarter panels put on. I am going to do a full paint job. The color yet, I'm stuck between like 3 different colors. Let's see, what's the ones? Spruce green mica, which came off like Toyota Tacomas. I had that on my bike. I love that color. It is a little dark. It's a thought. Then also, I'd love to match it to the BRZ and just do straight black, lime green calibers, some chrome wheels though. Chrome wheels will be tight. Or, I don't know if anybody's ever seen that, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a metallic-y doo-doo brown, but it's clean. It was on the RX-7, that's what I know it from. Clean. I think that would look good on here too with maybe like some bronze wheels or some chrome wheels. I don't own chrome wheels right now for any of my vehicles, and I'd love it. All my wheels I've painted primer gray, and it's looked good because they're on black cars. And then, it's got a 2.2 liter stock motor, bone fucking stock, automatic. If this thing ever decides it wants to blow up, we are definitely motor swapping it. Definitely putting a manual in it. But I'm stuck between when that day comes, what I'm actually gonna put in here. The real thoughts would be, hey yo, I got friends with Mustangs. I know Mustangs. I have to put like a Fox Body 302 in it. I think that'd be pretty tight. It is, I mean, it's a big engine bay, but it's also not that big. I think the frame rails are wide enough for it. I know I'd have to make some type of subframe for it. If not that, a EcoBoost. What is it? There's a 2.0 and a 2.3, I believe. A 2.3 EcoBoost out of like a Ford Transit. Man, that'd be tight. I'm not gonna LS swap this car. I'm not gonna JZ this car. If I do have to like swap the motor out, definitely gonna convert it to rear-wheel drive. Also had a thought of SR20 swapping it. I thought about doing that with the BRZ. I've also thought about doing like a 1.8T out of a Volkswagen in here. I just seen that man Jimmy Oakes do it. I got a friend local to me that wants to start tuning Volkswagens, 1.8Ts, VR6s. So I think that'd be a good project to collab on with them. There's a lot of things I can do. This is like an open canvas right now. I also want to maybe possibly do a wide body kit, because why not? I know body work. People ask me all the time, why don't you wide body swap the VRZ? No, the body is too nice. I already put a quarter panel on it. Now I'm putting quarters on this, but I would wide body this. But it had to be one of those expanding foams, make your own body kit, fiberglass it. I don't think I would mold it, but I would definitely do some slick shit. Like no bolts, seam, none of that stupid seam sealer, weather strip stuff. There's a whole list of things I can do on this car. But for now, we're rocking with the quarter panels and outer wheelhouses. And then we're gonna tag this thing, we're gonna go to some meets and take the family out. Just have fun, I guess. So I guess I gotta get back to work. Told myself I'm getting out of here soon, so let's get it. Nowhere near done, but I think I am prepped enough to put this outer wheelhouse on. Ready to weld this jump, but I ain't gonna weld it today because I'm not gonna stick around and make sure there ain't no fires. So slap this quarter on, clean up, and just put the quarter up there. Don't want nobody to see my hack job. I still gotta prep the quarter too. I did some of it, I think. No, I did the outer of the house. Slowly but surely.